Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are down here with the guys from Marine, who are based in, I think, Kingsbridge or Saltham in Devon. I'm sure they'll correct me. To have a look at this Nordkapp 605. Really been impressed with the Nordkapp range. I've seen a few of them. Been around for circa 50 years, but I think the guys here have been selling these from around 2008. As you can see, this is the Avant 605. This particular one comes with the Mercury 150 Pro engine. Just have a quick look round as we're outside. Decent sized locker, but look how beautifully it's actually been lined with gel coat rather than just left rough. And then there's a little cleat in there as well. Boarding ladder on this side. And again another beautifully lined locker. A couple of steps up takes you into the cockpit. The little cushion here, which I'm guessing folds out. There you go, like that, to give you a little step in. 2 steps takes you straight into the cockpit. I'm going to walk forward, have a little look back. So notice there's seating across the back there. Big chunky ski eye, tow eye. Storage underneath the seat here. Master Volt's a switch down there for the battery. And you'll also notice that you can see the canopy frames under here. So the idea with that is, I don't know if I can do it, you can lift the seat up. There you go, and the frame with all the canvas work sits under there. Just clip that back nicely for them. So the idea is, let's pop that back. So the idea is all the canopy sits out the way when you're not using it. Lift that seat up, cantilever the mechanism forwards, and it clips on round the top of the screen rail here. So you can effectively have yourself a little camper canvas to keep you out the way, to keep the weather out the way. Nice to have somewhere to put your fenders, which is always neat. Lovely little Nordkapp sports helm seat with the pop-up bolster. Obviously throttle controller and gear selector. Little Garmin screen there, and then you've got your speedo and your RPM. And down here we have a table combo, but also access to a little bit of storage. It's very dark, but you get the idea. Just fold that back down. Folds back down like that. You've also got the seat over here, which does a lot of these seats do. It pops both ways, so at the moment it's heading or facing aft, so you can entertain and enjoy. I guess there's a table that slots in here. Enjoy a bit of entertaining, eating, or just looking out the back of the boat as you're going along. But equally, if the boat is going along, you can pop that seat back the other way, like so, and you have a forward-facing seat. Drawer fridge underneath here, so somewhere to keep your drinks cool. And because this is a bow rider, where you would normally potentially have a cabin, you have got a seating area. We are just going to be a bit sneaky and fold that over like so. Unclip the sea gate. More fender storage down there. Another foot to put the table in, and then quite nicely there's all cushions in here, and underneath all of these, look, these little catches are these beautifully lined grey GRP lockers. Clip that back, pop the cushion back, and then there's this little recess here for your anchor handling gear if you choose to have it. All self-draining. Just a really nice little day boat. Bow rider, of course, so when you want to come back, or if you're going along and the weather's a bit lumpy, shut your sea gate, fold the windscreen back over, lock it off, 1 and 2, and there you go. So that is a Nordkapp 605 Avant. Hope you've enjoyed the tour. Do please like and subscribe. We'll look forward to seeing you next time round.